What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Turbo, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm gonna just do a walk around on my build. I'm completely finished with it. A lot of you guys know I had a 6-inch lift on it, but I took it off because it was breaking axles so easy, and I didn't want to have to deal with that right now. Breaking axles back to back every time I ride, every time I go out and ride, axle break in the rear. Although I'm still selling that lift and you guys are interested, $1,000. Hit me up in the comment section. 6-inch Super ATV lift. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know if you're interested. Excuse me, guys, but yeah, I'm doing just a walk around on my finished build. I'm completely finished with it. I'm not putting nothing else on it. Nothing else going on it. It doesn't have to go back in the shop. Hopefully by this weekend I plan on going riding somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, I plan on going riding this weekend. See how these assassinators do. And show y'all the add-on I done did since you've seen the last video of the bike. You probably know already I got a mounted light bar. I believe it's 11 inches. Mounted right there on the front bumper. Looks real good. I just drill a hole through the bumper right there. And it had a nut, if you can see it right there, that I screwed on the back, and it mounted up pretty good. Look darn good on the front, real bright at nighttime. And yeah, guys, I had put a big gun fuel injection technology power box on here because the exhaust started running lean. I recommend if you get an aftermarket exhaust like this or any other exhaust like that, I recommend you get it programmed. Either get the little power box or get it programmed by a professional. Yeah, because it will run lean and start to backfire a lot. And it could damage your engine. Yeah, you guys know I told you about these tires, these 29.5-inch by 8 by assassinators from Super ATV, wrapped in some these 14-inch rims, MSA core rims. Look pretty good on the bike. That's the back. The back's a little bigger than the front. I don't know why, I guess because the grip wore out. But yeah, it looks real good. If you wonder why it's so shiny, I use it. Well, if you wonder how I got it so shiny, I use SC1 high gloss coating spray. It does a real good job when you're spraying it on your bike. It sprays on dry and leave it with a good shine for days. And this how I wired, and show you guys how I wired the headlight. I just took it down through the vent, up through there. I brought it up to the steering wheel, up there to the switch. I got a light bar because my headlights are red. I changed out the headlight bulbs. Most of you guys already know that already. But I changed out the headlight bulbs, and that's why I got a light bar, so I could be able to see at night. Yeah, guys, she's ready to ride now. Just looking for some mud. Get a good video out for you guys. It's just a little video to show you guys what I've done to it so far, and I'm finally finished. No more shop. Just straight mud ride videos from now on after me ripping this thing through the trails and them big mud holes and deep stuff. Gotta see the stick of Mud Life. Go join Mud Life group on YouTube. I mean, not on YouTube, on Facebook. If you got Facebook, go join Mud Life group. Good group, good people. Always can help you when you need anything to know about your ATV. Most of the people in there know mostly about it. And I've been thinking about something else. If you guys know where I can get a aftermarket plug for the belt box, cause I don't like the factory rubber one. When I be riding, I think it'll fall out. I think it'll leak. Water get in the belt box. Let me know in the comment section if you know where I can get a aftermarket plug for the belt box set. But other than that, guys, should look good. See, I got the stickers, highlifter, custom motor card, Super ATV. Oscar sent me a sticker. Got that one on there. Big gun exhaust. So yeah, guys, she look pretty good. And again, that coating I use to make my foil look so shiny is SC1 high gloss coating. It's a good spray on substance to give you a good shine after you get done washing it. But yeah, guys, just want to get you guys a video out, let you know that she's back at the shop, ready to rock and roll. I've got a full service done. Oh, and another thing. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see, but is that it? Oh, right there. Yeah, I changed out my front pinion plate. I got a, where did I get this from? Custom Moto Quads. Custom Moto Quads front pinion plate. Or front pinion cover. It's better than the stock one. It's billet aluminum, so pretty more durable and stronger than the stock one. A lot of people been telling me I needed to get one of them, or I would have to replace my whole front differential when it cracks. So I went on here and got me one of them. My brother 850 right here. It basically stopped, other than the tiger tail. Yeah, here's basically stopped. But yeah, guys, hopefully I can get you a video out this weekend coming up. These two bad boys ripping it up in the trail. We got a couple more ATVs might come with us. So I want to let you guys know. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully my next one be me mud riding. But yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.